In this video, I'll show you how to send your money from SafePal to Cash App in a simple and clear way. Just follow each step carefully to make sure the process goes smoothly. First, open your SafePal app and make sure you're logged in. Next, check which cryptocurrency you want to transfer. SafePal supports many coins, but Cash App only supports Bitcoin. So, if your funds are not already in Bitcoin, you'll need to swap them first. To do that, go to the D-App section in SafePal and choose a trusted swap service like Binance Dex or PancakeSwap, depending on the coin you have. Swap your crypto to Bitcoin, and always double-check all the details before confirming the swap. Once you have Bitcoin in your SafePal wallet, tap on your Bitcoin balance and then tap the Send button. This will open the Send screen, where you'll need your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Now, open your Cash App and tap the Money tab on the home screen. Next, tap on Bitcoin, then choose Deposit Bitcoin. You'll see a QR code and a wallet address. Tap Copy to copy that address. Go back to SafePal, and in the Send screen, paste the address you just copied from Cash App. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Then carefully review both the address and the amount to make sure everything is correct. Once you've checked it, confirm and send. The Bitcoin network will take a few minutes to process the transaction, sometimes longer if the network is busy. After some time, open your Cash App again, and you should see the funds appear in your Bitcoin balance. If you want to convert Bitcoin to cash, simply tap the Sell button in Cash App, choose how much you'd like to sell, and once the sale is complete, the money will appear in your Cash App balance. From there, you can cash out directly to your bank account. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from SafePal to Cash App easily and securely.